Welcome to Financify, your go-to channel for easy and quick financial tutorials. In today's video, I'll show you how to enable dark mode on the Kraken wallet app. Let's dive right in. First, open the Kraken app on your mobile device. Make sure you are logged into your account. Next, tap on the account icon on the bottom right corner of the screen. Then, from the account settings, scroll down and look for the option Theme or Appearance. Tap on it. Now, choose Dark Mode from the option or toggle the dark mode switch to enable it. The app will instantly switch to a sleek dark interface. And that's it. You have successfully enabled dark mode on your Kraken wallet app. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe to Financify, and hit the bell icon for more quick guides like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.